Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. It is the January box. Yes, you're probably wondering what the hell it is February. Yes, so let me tell you the quick and short story of this. I actually logged into my LookFantastic account to talk to customer service on the 16th January because usually I already have the box by then, right? And in January I didn't even receive a shipping confirmation or just a confirmation in general. I didn't receive anything, so I figured ask them, and I did. And listen, I'm not going against the customer service here. I'm sure that the person has not much to do with it. It just really pissed me off. So I asked them, hey, can you tell me where my box is? Because I have a reoccurring payment going on for years now, right? It's easier for me. Money goes off every single month. You know, it gets out of my bank account. It gets billed, however they do it. Every single month, I don't have to do anything, and it has been like that for years. So, and then the guy said, well, I just checked your account, and it says that payment was renewed on the 16th, which was coincidentally the same day that I texted the customer service. So, your January box will not arrive, but it will count towards the February one. And I'm like, but that doesn't make sense. So I asked him, but that is not possible. It's like, I have a reoccurring payment for years. And he said, yes, it's not a new one. So I confirmed with him. So you're saying this is not a new payment? This is something that has been going on for years? And he said, yes. And I said, well, where the hell is my box then? Anyways, long story short, a few days after, I got an email saying, hey, concerning your box, after a few difficulties and after some products not being available, they are now available and your box will be shipped. And the February one is already shipped as well, so I think they messed up. I have it now, and we're going to talk about it. And it's packed as lovingly as you would imagine. Let's open it up. Holy... Good God. Here we are. And once again, do not see a QR code, so it will be... We had this one not that long ago. So yeah, it will be a rather short video. I'm gonna start with this. This is the Dr. Papa Your Gorgeous Skin Hydrating Face Mist. Papaya hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and neroli flower. How to use: spray 6 to 8 inches from your face and neck to hydrate and moisturize skin. Hold on. Okay. That's nice. Doesn't smell like anything crazy, so yeah, I will definitely keep this. Like, this is not a setting spray, so I will probably use this before going to bed or just in the morning when I'm not leaving the house. This might come in very handy. So this is what that one looks like. Yeah, so there is this one here. Okay, I'm going to stay zoomed in, I guess, because we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, the Hydrating Cleansing Balm. Oh, that smells really good. That one looks like. The thing is, I have a good cleansing gel thing, and I know for a fact that I can also use that on my eyes. So I'll use my normal one for the eyes, and then I will probably use this one for the face. Because I don't want to risk it, you know. A Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, that's what it says. But yeah, I will definitely try that one out. Ooh. Sunburn Coconut SPF 30 Protection lip balm thing. Sunscreen lip balm. I can always use a good lip balm, and if there's SPF in, that's even better. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, that smells good. Holy moly. Look, I know you shouldn't eat it, but that tastes really good. Very water resistant. Yeah, so this is just a normal SPF sunscreen lip balm, and I will put that into my my jacket. So when I'm walking the dog, I can easily put this on since I'm outside. All right, we had this before as well. Is it just things we had before? Two products that we had before. One is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Deep Conditioning Treatment, and the other is the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm Eye instant firm eye thing, you know, like, I will leave the video here. You know what? I don't like this. With very weird taste. Oh, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't. Like, it's nice at first, but the longer you have it on, the more it's just nasty. It's better. Oh, no, that's... Ugh. Oh. No, no. This is immediate no. It also burns my lips. Out. Out! Because I don't even want to talk anymore because I still have to taste it in my mouth. The Instant Firm XI treatment that, you know, you put underneath your eyes and then it looks blurred. It doesn't last, right? It's just for like one evening only, but it looks absolutely amazing. I will leave the video here. And yes, the video is not edited. It's sped up, but I didn't do any editing to that. You can actually see the fine lines disappear. So we had that, definitely had that one before. And then, like I said, the Flip Kingsley Elasticizer, we had that one as well. It's just a deep conditioning treatment for your hair, and I will definitely use that one as well. Second last product is the This Works Perfect Lax Body Butter, a mood-boosting body moisturizer with geranium and sweet orange essential oils. Oh, that can open up, it's sealed, but it's a body lotion, and I can always use a body lotion as well. And the last but not least is a sample, a literal sample, the Lancôme Genifique Serum. I'm sorry, but the taste is just, oh, that's absolutely vile. That is everything that is in the box. Alright, so, yes, I have learned my lesson. I love SPF products. Obviously, you know, you should wear them every single day. And I love that you also have lip products with SPF, but they never work on me. I don't like the taste of them. They make my lips very dry or they hurt. So, lesson learned, I will not purchase any of those ever again. And if I have one in the next box, or if I ever get one in another box, I will not use it. I will just sell it because it's just not my thing. This is the box. That was everything that's in there. It's just, I mean, you can tell that this box was not planned because it's a lot of things that we had before. I'm sure we had the LMS thing before as well. Oh, LookFantastic. LookFantastic. So let me know if you ever had any of these products before. I mean, they're all things that I will use. Don't get me wrong, I will. I don't know when I will use the eye firming thing because, you know, I don't have any special things planned where I can use this. But I will definitely use that one. The body lotion will be used up. The conditioner will be used up. This I will put into my travel case. Everything will be used apart from this, which is, oh God, just the smell. I will put this into my empties and my declutter back there, and then I will not think about it anymore. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you next one.